Evie? Yeah?
G.
Say it again, Evie.
P. G.
Yes.
Good.
What does it say? Nope. You're getting it. No, what is it?
It's what you
Shh, Jacob, no. What is it, Evie? Sound out. You're doing a good job. What's the first one? Yeah?
Policeman. J.
Nope, not the J. It's the G sound.
G.
Sound. Now say it quicker.
Policeman. Policeman. Ellie, stop it. G.
Yes, put it together. All together now. Nope, look here at your word and sound it out.
Ready.
Here it is. Let's go. P.
They know what they are.
Shh, Jacob. Quiet. What is it, Evie? Sound it out. P. I. Look, sit up, honey. You can't even see the word. Sound it out.
G.
Yes, say it again, quicker. What does that word say?
J.
Not the J sound, it's the G sound.
G.
What is it?
G. G.
Yes, what is that? What is that word?
Hat.
No, stop looking at the pictures. That doesn't help. What is it? Say it together quick.
Almost got.
You've almost got it, girls. What is it?
Think.
No, don't think. Read. Here, sound it out again. Wow, this is hard.
G.
Yes, Evie, what's she saying? What is she saying? Sound it out.
Pig.
You did it! And we're reading, folks.
Can I see the picture?